Oh, so guys, here's my ingredients. I'm using this kind of pasta. So I have a chicken breast, which is I season it with this Goya adobo. So I forgot to tell you guys. So this one, I season that with my chicken breast. And since I can't go out, so I'm using this, guys. Since I can't go out, I'm using onion powder and a garlic powder for now because I can't go out today. I'm running out of garlic. And this, it's for cooking spray. It's a butter flavor. So let's begin cooking, guys. Uh, you're you're thinking why there's a viena sauce on it? Because I should tell you that it's my own version. So my kids like sausage in my spaghetti. So let's start cooking. So guys, I'm going to cook this. So I put the cooking spray butter flavor on it. So guys, I just make it till it's truly cooked. Okay, so we don't have to brown our chicken meat. So our chicken, guys, is now cooked. So let's add the sauce. Our pasta. Oh, so guys, our pasta are almost done. See? So guys, that's it. So this is my own version spaghetti con pollo curry. So I made this. Well, if you can see it, it's a healthy one. You can see the chicken breast with my. If you see, there's vegetables on it. I put the vegetables like what's that again? What do you call it? It's a basil leaf. So I put that on my spaghetti. So once you eat it, so it makes you healthy. So guys, it's our spaghetti. Come on, let's join with me. Gosh, I can't make it harder this one. So I wanna try this on onto myself. So I bet it's yummy. So taste it. It's good. So I bet you guys try the Puerto Rican style spaghetti. It is yummy. Since it's locked down today. Oh, not all today. It keeps on extended. So that's how I'm going to make this one. So guys, I was bored at home. I don't know. I don't know when this will end soon. So I hope you guys enjoy watching while I'm cooking. So thank you very much for watching. It's yummy. So try your own version, guys, for the spaghetti. So spaghetti con Pollo Criollo. So that's a this is a Puerto Rican style. So you can see the difference between our Filipino spaghetti and Puerto Rican spaghetti. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. And if you don't like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share it with my video to your friends and relatives. So thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Bye bye. Sorry guys if you see me clearly. I'm not sure. So again, take 2. So sorry guys if you see me clearly. On this I make it Puerto Rican style spaghetti. So it's yummy. So you try the breast part of chicken. So it's yummy and healthy. So try your own version. Have a good day and bye bye. Love you all.